In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your order history on Shein. Before we begin, it's important to understand one key detail. Shein does not currently allow users to permanently delete individual orders from their order history. This is usually because companies need to keep transaction records for legal, tax, and shipping or tracking purposes. So if you're looking for a direct delete button for a single purchase, you most likely won't find one. However, there are still a couple of ways to reduce or fully remove what appears in your account, depending on what you need. The first option is the simplest workaround, and that is to hide or archive a completed order if this feature is available in your region. To do this, open the Shein app and go to the Me section. From there, tap My Orders and find the order you want to remove from your main view. Make sure the order has already been completed, because this option typically applies only to finished purchases. Once you open that order, look for an option that says Hide Order. If you see it, tap it, and the order should be moved out of your primary order list. This method is useful if your goal is simply to make your order history look cleaner or more private when you're browsing through your account. Just keep in mind that this is not the same as permanent deletion. It only removes the order from the main view, and availability can vary depending on your app version or location. If you want a more complete removal of transaction records connected to your account, the second option is to request full account deletion. In the Shein app, go to Settings, then Account Security, and then choose Delete Account. Follow the prompts shown on the screen to submit your deletion request. This is the only route mentioned here for removing all transaction history entirely, because deleting the account is what disconnects your access to the stored order records. Before you do this, make sure you no longer need the account for returns, order tracking, refunds, or purchase reference, since account deletion can affect access to all of that information. So to summarize, if you only want to hide a completed order from your main list, use the Hide Order option under My Orders if it's available. If you want everything removed entirely, you'll need to submit an account deletion request through Account Security. That's it.